internal auditor in charge of her organization's annual P-card audit review. She needs to ensure employees aren't exceeding their P-card spending limits. In past years, Jane has used analytics for simple ad hoc data analysis of P-cards. But every year, she has less and less time to do this work. Sounds like it's time for automated processes and continuous control monitoring instead of the manual, time-consuming yearly review. Lucky for Jane, she can use ACL Robotics, a high-bond solution comprised of analytics, robots, and results to automate and schedule the continuous monitoring of P-card controls and freeing up her time to focus on higher value work. She plans to perform her P-card review from start to finish and record those steps so they're repeatable. Schedule and automate her P-card analysis to run unattended, and automate the follow-up of any P-card exceptions, and visualize her findings using interactive storyboards. With analytics, Jane performs her P-card testing from start to finish using the analytics interface. All the clicks and commands performed during her testing are logged. So, Jane turns those clicks into a script to make the time-consuming process one that's easily repeatable. With a few minor edits, this script is easy to read, and anyone looking at it can understand its purpose. Jane wants her P-card analysis to run weekly, but she doesn't want to have to manually run the script every single time. With robots, she can automate this process and schedule her analysis to run daily, weekly, or even monthly, all unattended. Jane's also been on the receiving end of inheriting a script where she doesn't know what it does or where she's supposed to input values. With robots, she, along with any of her team members who have been granted access, can see script descriptions, easily find and adjust input values, and update how the analysis runs. Now, P-card controls are being continually monitored with little input from Jane, apart from the initial setup. The first time Jane ran her script, she uncovered some exceptions. It looks like people have been exceeding their P-card spending limits. The robot automatically sends those exceptions to results. She doesn't need to do any uploading herself. And using results, she can automate the follow-up of these exceptions and anomalies. She can create triggers to notify the right people, send questionnaires to gather more information, and schedule reminders for follow-up. Finally, Jane can produce interactive reports that allow her to drill down into the data, enabling her and her team to spot risks in real time. The outcome of this automation and monitoring workflow are storyboards that she can share with the business, audit committee, and regulators. Now, Jane has time to focus on higher value work or on setting up the continuous monitoring of even more controls using ACL Robotics.